Hello, this is a heavy-duty ball mill of 5 kg capacity manufactured by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. A ball mill is an essential lab machine for rapid pulverizing, milling, grinding and mixing of a large variety of materials. The sample materials can be soft, elastic, fibrous, hard, brittle or powders. Ball mills are widely used in various industries including pharmaceuticals, chemicals and metallurgy for grinding materials into fine powders. The ball mill's rotating drum or cylinder is made of thick stainless steel of 304 grade. Drums or cylinders made of aluminum or stainless steel 316 grade are also available on request. This particular machine has a drum that has a capacity of 5 kg. The drum has a size of 10-inch length and 6.5-inch diameter. Ball mills with bigger and smaller drums or jars are also available. The jar can be easily removed from its rotating shaft by loosening these screws. Further, the jar can be easily opened by loosening the screws provided on its lid. The lid is opened for filling in the material or for cleaning purposes. I will remove the lid and show you how the jar looks from inside. The sample material to be ground is put in the jar, which is rotated at a specific speed along with a specific quantity of grinding media, that is the steel balls, for a specific period. The rotational motion of the drum is facilitated by heavy-duty ball bearings that carry the shaft of the drum. The ball bearings are pivoted on a sturdy shoulder frame that is supported on a heavy base. The machine is fitted with a heavy-duty 1/4 HP motor. The drum rotates about its axis, thereby rotating and mixing the material inside. The machine is supplied with steel grinding balls of different sizes which may vary from 12.5 mm to 40 mm in diameter. A digital timer is provided for setting the duration of grinding and mixing process. The ball mill automatically comes to a halt when the set time is reached. These ball mills are available in 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg, 50 kg and 100 kg capacity. The machine operates on 220 volt AC 50 Hz. Ball mills to operate on 110 volt AC are also available. We wait for your inquiries and orders for these ball mills. Thank you.